The first thing we're going to do is insert the main image to the back of the slide. We do this using PowerPoint, but you can do that with normal PowerPoint. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create the first rectangle shape. That will form the background of our knockout text. Then we're going to create a text box with the word knockout in it. I'm just going to change the font to Verdana Pro, and I'm going to make it quite big so it fits into the center of the shape. Now here comes the most important part. I'm going to now select both the text box and the shape and go to Format and Merge Shapes and combine these two shapes. They've now become one shape. You can see that there's a knockout text because the knockout is transparent behind. I'm going to create another rectangle. I'm going to put in text in here. So a text box with the word text. Change the font, do the same procedure as before, put it into the center of it. The shape looks a bit too big, so I'm going to reduce it. And same procedure as before, both selected and combining them by merging the shapes. And we've got another rectangle. You can see it's one shape. I can enlarge it, make it smaller, it will be one shape. Now I'm going to just make sure it lines a bit better to the background. Now with both shapes selected, I'm going to go Format Object. I'm just going to change the fill of both of them to a white background, maybe add a bit of shadow so it's a bit more visible. And we're basically done. Change the position a bit better. That's how you do a knockout text in PowerPoint. Have fun.